Hi friend, welcome back to day 2 of our Java coding series. Today we are solving a classic question. What is the day of the week? Was a specific date? Let's jump right in. The question is simple. You are given a date in the format month, day, year. Sample input is 0805-2015, that is August 5th, 2015. You need to return day of the week in capital letters. So the output here would be Wednesday. We will use the calendar class in Java. Why? Because it can easily convert a date into a day of the week. We will use calendar.getInstance. Then we set year, month, and day. But be careful, Java starts month from 0. So January is 0, February is 1, and August is 7. We subtract 1 in month. Our array starts from 0. Now make a string array of day. Then we return dates using calendar.get, day of week, by subtracting 1. Let's test it with input 00005-2050. The message returns Wednesday, that is correct. The important note is that don't forget months are 0 in there. So always write month subtract 1 when setting the date. You just run with Java to figure out day of the day like a boss. If you learned something, hit like, subscribe, and share with your coding buddies. See you tomorrow on day 3.